rice cookers. What are you doing? I wouldn't be under there. Alright, well, first things first. Take these back wheels off. Hey, you gonna help me? Clamp off this brake line. Minimize the mess a bit. Now that we got that line pinched, I'm gonna get this line loosened and pulled off. It's just a 10 mil. Just got these two 10 mils on the back here. Loosen those buggers off. Right, next to these little expanding clip holdy fucking spring loaded things, just push and twist. And because I've got those bolts undone on the back, I can pull this out like so. And then just down here, this handbrake cable. Ow, 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 ow. There we go. And that's still all attached, which is good because these are an absolute fucking nightmare to put back together. Now with that unhooked from there, can slide that out of its little track. Come on, you bastard. There we go. Slide that off the end of the cable. Now this can pop out the back. Like so. And normally there's a clamp here, like a P-clamp that holds this where this bolt is, but I didn't put that back the last time I was in here, so whoops. You just want to push this out the back. And now you're on to the next step. All the underbody. From the back of the control arm you've got a 12mm here that holds on the handbrake cable. Another 12mm here. It also shares a mount with the ABS. And then it joins the other cable with another 12mm, which also ABS mounts to. They both join together here. Have a little junction box where I think you can actually disconnect the lines back to the hubs, and then from there it goes up here through the gap in the subframe. Oh god, that's gonna be fun. And then it goes up to the dash. Another 12mm. Now this is a JDM spec first gen CRV, so most people watching this won't have one. They'll have the USA facelift model, which has the handbrake on the floor, which I need to convert this to, which runs the lines out of this area here instead of down here to the dash. So I've also got a 12mm here to take off, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna get to removing these 12mm. Looks like I'm gonna have to take these 10mm off, that 10mm off there. Ah, shit in my eyeballs. On the other side, ABS and handbrake. So I should probably take this little fecker off first. 12mm. That big sucker there. That big maffick. this one here. It went to the passenger side, or the left side for me. Another 12mm to come off. What's in the box? Starting to get close to the subframe now. Hopefully this cable can slide through here from the dash side without too much drama, because although this subframe does have to come out, I'm not ready to do that just yet. Now, wouldn't you know it, the 12mm for here is right where the subframe is. So I can't even get a socket in there. I'm gonna have to take it off very slowly. With a spanner or something. Better not be another one under there. Okay. That's off from there. So now I'll move on to removing the handbrake cable from the firewall and the dash. This is under the dash. This is the arm for the dash handbrake. And this line here is the actual handbrake cable. Now, because I've got it all disconnected, I can just pull that out and it's completely completely free. It should fit out that hole. Right, now I've got these bolts here that would normally be for a clutch pedal bracket, which are 12mm. There's one each side and one above up here. Let's get rid of those. Dash handbrake loose off the firewall, and I've just got these two bolts here that actually hold it up to the dash. As you can see, that's the handle. Get this fucking little bitch out of the road. Oh, there we go. What a fucking dumb handbrake. So it pulls forward on that hook, which then pulls the cable forward. What a fucking stupid fucking setup. Okay, here we are on the engine bay side of things. And this is the other side from where that handbrake is. As you can see, it's the same placement as where a clutch pedal would mount, or a master cylinder for a clutch. It's loose, but that line drops down into here and then goes between the subframe and under the car. So I need to get rid of that 12mm right there. Oh, it's just a guide. Okay, cool. Okay, but how the hell do you get this through the subframe? Okay. Okay, it's caught on something. There we go. See if that's going to fit through there. I am sick of fighting this thing it's gonna fuck off right now. Now that should all fit through there. No worries. Like so. Let's pull it through the top. Ah, oh, it's fucking jammed up again. Well, that wasn't fun, but it's out. Whew. So that goes up against the dash, firewall, goes through and under the subframe, goes to this little junction box where you've got your standard kind of handbrake separator. I can't remember what you call it. It's like a junction. Goes one into two. And then you've got your cables that go back to the drum. One side longer than the other. Fuck! Well, the original plan was to take this dash handbrake, chuck it into a facelift, take the facelift's floor handbrake, swap it over to this. But after going through all of that nonsense, I think the more efficient route will be find another floor handbrake and just fit it to this either when the time's ready or because I could take the one off the other car, but that would mean I'd have to replace it, so that's just extra work. I think, yeah, that's making more sense. I will leave the other car alone. I'll order from I'll get a hold of Damo the Kiwi on old Facebook group and see if he's got a handbrake system that he feels like pulling off of a car for me, because I think that will be better option. Or I might also have another CRV that I will be wrecking, and that will be a facelift one, so I could probably just take that one's handbrake because it's going to the dump. Either way, the initial plan, which I spoke of last week with the interior swaps and stuff, isn't going forward anymore in terms of handbrake. This one's out, it's staying out, it's not going in another car. So if any of you want it, just leave a comment below, and then find me on Instagram, and I'll put up a post, something to do with this handbrake, and comment there as well, and I'll either do a draw or I'll just choose someone at random, whatever. But yeah, someone in the States, you might be interested in this handbrake. I don't know if it'll work for a left-hand drive, but yeah, whatever. Either that or it's just going in the trash. So yeah, let me know. Up next, we will be pulling apart this RD5 for its manual K-Series all-wheel drive gearbox. Things will start to pick up a bit more now, which is good because I've been struggling with space lately, having to get rid of the car with the subframe and all this handbrake drama. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed and you won't miss out on all the K-Swap goodness to come.